Why did I grow my own food? Because when you put a lot of effort into something, like growing real food with no chemicals, is very satisfying to pick it and make recipes from it. This was the corn exactly 2 months before I picked it. That was the first corn I picked. There's nothing really on there to eat. I just ate that raw. Hopefully these ones do better. They got much bigger tassels. This came off of these skinny little ones. My corn pollinated properly. Today I'm going to take home corn,